Hi Lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do something a little crafty because I'm in the crafty mood and I feel I am unpacked enough to do some other things besides unpack. I am working on some decorate with me videos. I just have a few more things to do, but I'm waiting for some nice weather so that my lighting is good. Today is April 2nd and we actually woke up to a 2-hour delay for school because we got 5 inches of wet, heavy snow. So despite how it feels outside, I'm going to concentrate kind of on spring. I'm having spring thoughts. But like I said, there are some decorate with me videos coming up soon, but I thought today we would work on my April spread for my bullet journal. I got caught up on some of the things from March. I'm not going to do a big spread like I do every month. I'm just doing my mood tracker and my YouTube tracker for the month of March because I had my whole moving checklist thing in here and everything like that. So we're just going to move past this month. March was a crazy month and I had that all documented in here. So I figured for the month of April, I really wanted to do something different. I'm going to do, I know you can barely see it, it's barely sketched on there. But I want to do something different where I do a little bit of my own sketching, and I thought it'd be fun this month to do some stamping. And I remember I had these, actually I forgot all about them, but moving, cleaning out all my craft supplies, I found these beauties. And I thought this cute little one down here with the umbrella where it's raining hearts, I think this will be just adorable for the month of April because it rains a lot in the month of April. And I love this one. So my thought is to have like a rainy motif, if you will, on this side where we have our hello welcome page to April. And then my goals always go on next to it, and I'll kind of have like the sun peeking out and a little bit more springy looking on this page. And I feel like this one would work great for that. So I'm going to do some stamping in here. I think I'm only going to do my introductory pages today with you guys. And then maybe we'll work on the other pages later. But I am just blabbing away as usual. But I'm excited about the new month and I am so ready for green and flowers, sunshine and warm weather. I cannot wait to get out. I have like cabin fever so bad. Could anybody else relate? I know at other places spring like actually arrived. It has not arrived here in Pennsylvania yet. And I don't know why I'm shocked by that. Really and truly, I don't know why. So, some clauses that we need to get onto. If you happen to hear a baby cry, or if you happen to hear talking or just noises that you don't normally hear in my videos, I did move. I am in a new home, and we live on a bi-level, I don't know if that's what you want to call it. I forget how he called it, but something flat. We are upstairs and we do have someone that lives down below us. We live in a huge, huge, huge place. But thank God I don't have to heat it all or anything like that. we are on a bi-level flat, as I believe is what he called it. So our whole house is on the upstairs. So everything's, once you get up here, everything's on one floor. And the same with the people down below me, but they are a young couple and they have a baby and I can hear the baby crying now. Or I'm not sure if it's a girl or a little boy, but her room is in another room. So I know me talking, I mean, it's not like that. We can't really hear each other talk or anything like that. I can never hear their TV or them talking or anything like that. And I hope they can't on our end either. But when the baby is upset, we do hear him or her cry. So if you would happen to hear little faint cries in the background or anything like that, it's just my neighbor's little baby. Just a little disclaimer out there. New sounds. You won't be hearing birds. I guess I should put this out to you because many of you guys comment and ask about my birds. And I've even had a few of you comment and ask about my dog. What happened? You know, what did I do with my little dog when I moved? I put this out there a little while ago. It feels like it was just yesterday, but it has been some time. My little dog Bella actually passed away 3 days before Christmas, very suddenly and very tragically and very unexpectedly. Actually her pancreas basically ruptured. It was just one of those things that was very sudden. We didn't expect it. She was absolutely perfectly fine until the moment she wasn't. And the vet says this is a silent killer. This is one of these things that happen very often that most pet owners don't even think about, where their pancreas just ruptured. I mean, there's just no ifs, there's just no saving her. So that's what happened to my little dog Bella. I still grieve her often. And then because we were moving into an apartment type building, I couldn't have any pets. So we had to rehome our birds. But don't worry, I rehomed them to somebody who I know through church. And she keeps in contact with me and sends me pictures. And they're a big, beautiful cage. And they're happy. So that is my little update for you guys. I just talked, I think, for 6 minutes pretty much about nothing, but I know you guys had some questions about that. So no more bird tweets in the background, and Bella is in heaven, in my personal opinion. So stop with the depressing and on with the happy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to begin to outline my very light pencil marks that I already drew with my pens. I've mentioned these pens before. I absolutely love them. They are the Papermate flares. Love these. These do not bleed. They do not show through. Like, look, guys. They don't show through. You can't see them. They don't bleed. They don't ghost. I love these Papermate flares. And then I use my colored pencils and things like that to color in. So that's what I'm going to begin to do, and then we're going to stamp it up. I'm not sure why the ink did not take very well to these stamps, but as you can see, they're very light, and my umbrella girl is actually missing a big chunk of her like bodice and things like that. So I have no choice but to take a black marker and go over and trace that all out so that I can see it, and then I'll begin to color it in. So that's why the video is sped up as fast as it is, because this did take some time.
was a sight for my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight for my soul. just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Okay guys, I am finished. It took a longer than I thought it was going to because the stamps, for whatever reason, they very lightly took the ink, which shocked me, but they did. So I had to trace out all of the stamp pretty much in black marker to make the stamp, so to speak, pop up off the paper. But I do like how it looks. It's like a representation of, you know, April showers bring May flowers. You know, it does rain a lot in April, and I think she's just adorable with her little umbrella. And I just added a little bit more hearts to make it look like it was raining, and then it like cleared up on this side, and we got a little bit of spring going on because my heart wants spring so bad, but I know there's a lot of rain yet to come. But I did get my introductory page and my goal page done for April, and I will work on, I usually do my Moo tracker and my YouTube tracker on the following pages, and I will work on them another day. I need to get caught up in my Dollar Tree planner, and I want to, when I was digging for all my stamps and stuff like that, I found these beautiful spring stickers. Look at these. They are just gorgeous. So I want to make a spring tag flip. And like I said, I need to get caught up in my Dollar Tree planner, and I have more pages to do in here. So I'm excited about some of the things to come. So stay tuned for all of that, because I will share all that with you along with some decorating videos. So yay! There are videos a-coming. Just stay tuned. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Be blessed. Have a great day, and always do what you love. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.